Welcome to Voices of the Oppressed Television. Today we delve into the foundations of the Arabic language, starting with the alphabet. This ancient language, written from right to left, consists of 28 unique letters. Embark on this journey of discovery with us as we start with the first letter, Alif. Alif, the first Arabic letter, stands tall and straight. It's the equivalent of A in English. Next, we have Ba, Ta, and Tha, which are similar to B, T, and Th. Jim, Ha, and Ka are akin to J, Che, and a raspy Kh. Dal and Thal mirror D and Th, while Ra, Zay, Sin, and Sheen echo R, Z, S, and H. Lastly, we have Sad and Dad, and Ta and Za, which have unique sounds, followed by Ain and Gain, and finally, Fa and Qaf. We've reached halfway through the Arabic alphabet. Let's take a breath and prepare to dive into the rest. Welcome back. Let's continue our exploration with the letter Ha. Moving forward, we have Ka, Dal, and Dal, each with unique sounds that don't quite have English equivalents. The journey continues with Ra, Zay, and Sin, followed by Sheen, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Gain, and finally Fa. We conclude with Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Wa, and Ya. Each of these letters has its own distinct sound and character. Congratulations, you've now been introduced to all 28 letters of the Arabic alphabet. What an exciting journey we've had, exploring the Arabic alphabet from Alif to Ya. We've delved into the unique shapes, sounds, and subtleties of this rich language, unveiling its beauty. Thank you for joining us on Voices of the Oppressed Television. Remember, learning a new language opens a window to a different world. Until next time, keep exploring.